You now have two methods for investigating bias on the web. You have the CRAP test that you learned in the library course 902, and you have the ABC criterion that's going to be on the next page. But I want to just show you a couple of things in anticipation of that. So another way to limit your search without using the advanced search is you can just type .edu right into your search. And that's what I did, and I'm kind of looking around, noticing that these aren't all EDU sites. I asked for EDU sites, but I got a .org here, and I even got I saw a .com down here. Scientific American, okay, it's an established newspaper, but I'm kind of curious about this one, the 6 reasons, because I know there are multiple reasons, and so I'm going to go here for a second. This is what I want to show you. What you must do to figure out if this is a legitimate, authoritative source is you must click on the About button. And if there's no About button, forget it. Go on to the next one. But I'm going to click on the About button, and I'm going to find out who this organization is. Okay, it's taking a little bit long. So, Leonie Hofsass, so founder, she looks really nice. I'm reading this. She looks great, but I don't see that she has any credentials to speak of, and it's a volunteer-run organization. She's happy she has volunteers, but I'm not feeling too good about this site because there's a lack of credentials and research and evidence. So I'm going to move on to. I'm going to go look at a different site. I'm going to look at this one. This is a .com. I'm gonna check it out because it came up with my EDU search. I'm curious why. Okay, right away, I know if I have a pop-up box, it's monetized. I'm not too excited about this site, but who are these people? Smart Cities Dive. There's no About button. There's no About button. There is a button so I can learn about the author. No, I can't be the only one who gets more than a little stress during the holidays. She forgot her apostrophe. I'm not feeling good about this author. No, I'm going to bypass this source. I'm going to try to look at something that looks a little more solid. How about this one? Earth Day Network. I'm going to try them. Alright, they have an About Us button. Good. About Us. Oh, look at that. Our mission. So it tells me their mission, and I get to look up their staff members and learn about them. Financial mechanisms. She's a financier. Okay, so I'm feeling pretty good about this site because it's giving me all the information that I like to have to be sure that I'm using a credible, authoritative source for my essay.